Shiva and I'm from the organizers team. Since it is day 2 of the MRO South Asia Summit 2025, I first want to know how was your response on day 1 and what is you're expecting from day 2.
So yeah, the response was amazing for day 1 because this is the first time we are participating here in this MRO Expo, and I really loved the communication and also the responses which I have received from day 1, and definitely from day 2 I'm expecting some more new connections and the new network. So yeah, it's a lovely things. I think that will come again next year.
Yeah, sure. Now coming towards your company AMC, it is nearly in the industry for 30 years now.
So if I talk about the AMC, we have started our journey from 2017.
Okay.
And almost 2017 and 27. I'm very bad at math. I'm so sorry.
But in the contact center integration part, you have been for 30 years?
Yeah, almost. Like parallelly, if I talk about, our company is like almost 10 years old. But yeah, before that, we did work on that. So we have the experts in this industry. So yeah, definitely, you can count in that way.
Cool. And tell me a brief about all these displays that you have made here.
Okay, so if I talk about, that's the company AMC Technology.
We can move around?
Yeah, so AMC Technology, we are one of the MRO in this market, you can consider us. So we're into repair and maintenance, especially aircraft cabin interior. So we are into galley, we are into avionics, we are into plastic components, we are into carpets. Now we have started working on batteries. So we are expanding our facilities and kind of a very huge setup.
So you are now into all of varieties. You are building all the varieties and want to be one-stop solution for everything.
Absolutely correct. Because we touchwood, we receive a very good responses from the airlines and from our clients because of our absolutely amazing services. Because we never compromise on quality and quantity. So never on that.
So if I ask you, what are the 3 prioritized or maybe one of the most delivered service that you provide, which would be the 3 of them?
So in terms of 3, yeah, I don't measure of the on the quantity, but definitely the quality that we definitely check 100%, tact, time frame, and also the commitment, the service like after sales or anything. Like the client is kind of a king for us, so 24/7 we're available for them. So that's
and now that you're into aircraft interiors, you are into compartments, everything, the components part, the cockpit part. So sustainability is something which is a key component.
Yes.
Right? And since now it is in focus, how is AMC inculcating that into the business, and how are you going to make sustainability a part of each of your product?
So as I told you that we never compromise on the quality. So when quality is the first priority, sustainable automatically comes because that's the second name.
Right.
So definitely from the last 2017 when we started until now, touchwood, we receive a very good compliments and the comments from the client end that there is no such issues facing with them. I'm sure that down the line, like 5 years or 10 years, we'll keep maintain that way. And if you talk about the sustainability, definitely we try. Now we are promoting a sustainable environment even in our facilities. So I think, that is
coming towards your all these things that you provide in the interiors, exteriors, compartments, dry cleaning,
avionics,
seat
galley
covers,
part, and everything. Yeah.
Everything. I want to know, where is this sourced from? Is it all Indian based or it comes from outside India?
No, it's not like that. We contact the OEM, so they can be outside of the India, and we try to sometimes get it from the inside like OEM, but most of the parts are like OEM.
Okay, so now that the initiative that the government is taking to make in India, the concept of make in India and the Atmanirbhar Bharat, the self-reliant India, how is AMC going to become a part of it? Any future plans of getting stuff that you're now getting from outside, from India?
So we are 100% Indian company. So our facility is in Mumbai, Vasai, and yeah, definitely we do support the government initiative on that Make in India, and we are incorporating all of those things. Like if I talk about OEM part, like which we basically sometimes we import from the foreign companies. So we'd love to collaborate with Indian OEMs as well, and definitely the more the merrier.
Right.
So why not?
Since you are at the Amaro South Asia Summit, do you think that this event will help you bring more collaborations with the Indian companies and
I hope so.
will help the target of India to make everything to make in India? Do you think that?
I hope so. I hope so. I am like because this is the first time we are participating,
Right.
and the responses which we receive are phenomenal, amazing. So I hope that probably whatever the contacts I am getting, so probably in touch with them, and we'll definitely do something as a collaborative manner.
Absolutely. And the target that India is now trying to achieve by 2030 is the $4 billion industry. Do you think we are on the right track, and we will be able to achieve that?
100%. I am 100% sure. I'm very
Optimistic.
positive in that manner, that yeah, the way everyone is working together, supporting each other, very important, because from this industry I see a lot of other people that supporting each other, and they're trying to grow as a community. So in this manner we definitely grow. And also I'd like to add one more thing.
Sure.
That we are the exclusive representative of the Gill Corporation. So they are into honeycomb and panel and floorboards and all.
Right.
So we are trying to maintain that gap, to shorten the gap, I must say, to provide our customers, our airlines, our clients as much service as possible in terms of AMC, in terms of representative of the Gill Corporation.
Since we were talking about collaborations and all, is AMC having any new partnerships upcoming, or anything that you would like to share with us right now?
Right now, nothing is on paper, so I can't walk
Any
in that.
discussions happening around?
Probably
Okay, all right.
anything can be possible. Yeah.
Yes, anything can be possible. Well, I wish you all the best at
Thank you
AMC, and
so
I hope
much.
you find what you are here for. So, and thank you so much for your time, and had a lovely conversation.
Thank
with
you so much, Nubha. Thank you
Thank
so much
you.
for having me.
Thank you.